Today we're going to be talking about the use of the FLIR E30 infrared camera. When you get it from the FOSC, it will come in its case that has the camera itself, a charger, and a battery, and in this case the battery is charged so we can go ahead and use it directly. There's also additional memory cards for taking photographs if the memory card that's in the camera itself is full. To install the battery in the device, you click the bottom of the handle, open it up, install the battery like that, and now you're ready to use it. Power button turns it on. Takes a few seconds to warm up. We use this in conjunction with the moisture meter to detect wet areas of building materials, typically in walls, floors, ceiling tiles. We find it easiest to use this and on our other infrared camera in the black and white mode, and that it gives the best indication of wet materials. It will do a self-calibration, and then when the screen is active, you're ready to use it. In this case, we have to take the lens cover off, and then we can use it to scan around the room to detect wet building materials. When in the black and white mode, black will indicate potentially wet building materials that then you have to measure with a moisture meter to confirm whether or not they're wet. You can use the several functions. You hit this yellow button here and it will actually point a laser device at the wall, for example, like that. And then you can also record a photograph using the camera by clicking this trigger on the handle, and that will save a photograph to the memory card that's inside the camera. This is a manually focused device, so you have to use the focus on the lens to focus within the room that you're in, because depending on the temperature of the room, you may have to refocus. When you're scanning a wall, for example, in this case, the wall is wet in the middle, and you'll see a black spot. And it's important always to confirm infrared camera findings with moisture meter measurements to document that the material is wet. When you're done using it, you hit power off, and it will shut off. When you're ready to download the photographs off of the camera, the memory card is in this slot here. You push this down to open it, and then pop the card out. And it's a standard SD card that you can download on your computer or other device. That concludes the infrared camera video.